In today's video, I'm working on a 10-inch by 20-inch canvas, and I'm going to use a 3D printed funnel that I purchased online for a pour. This funnel has a little insert and it has 6 slots for different colors. So I mixed up 6 different colors along with some black and white for my base coat, and I just wanted to see how this funnel would work. I was really happy with it, and I'm definitely going to do this on a larger canvas. I think my idea of a split color design with the black and white background was fun, but since I had quite a bit of paint in the funnel, it didn't really keep the design that I was hoping for. But I have each of my colors mixed with a Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water, and I'm just going to start by putting black down half the canvas and white down the other half, and then do my funnel pour down the middle. And overall, the colors really stayed within their little confined areas. They didn't blend too much. I think next time if I used a smaller canvas like this, I would use probably half as much paint, and then just run the funnel down the middle like I did. But I was just holding onto the funnel, and then I used one hand to just gently raise up the divider, and then as I was raising the divider, I just slowly moved the funnel across the canvas, and it created a really beautiful blending of color. So like I said, I'm definitely going to try this again. If you have colors that you want to see me try this out with, I'm always open for color suggestions. I think this was a really pretty color palette. Some of the colors did get a little lost while after I had tilted and while it was drying. But like I said, I think if I did this on a larger canvas, it would look a little bit better. But overall, that was really fun, and I do like the dividers that came with the funnel. So like I said, I will try it again and see what I can do with this. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next one.